Hey everyone! Welcome back to our English listening practice channel. I'm Ida.
And I'm Jack. Thanks for joining us again. Today, we're doing something a little different, a long conversation that feels just like real life.
Exactly. We're going to talk about our daily routines, food, weekends, funny moments, and just life.
So, grab a drink, sit back, and listen. Try to relax. The goal isn't to understand every single word, but to feel the language.
Yeah. If you hear new words, don't worry. You'll understand them from context. Ready, Jack?
Ready? Let's go. So, Ida, how was your morning today?
Pretty normal, actually. I woke up around 7:30, but I didn't get out of bed until 8. You know that moment when you just stare at the ceiling thinking about life?
Oh, totally. I always check my phone for like 20 minutes before I actually get up, and I know it's a bad habit.
Same here. I scroll through messages, emails, and then somehow end up watching cat videos.
Classic. So, what's the first thing you usually do after you get up?
I make my bed, always. It helps me feel organized. Then I wash my face, brush my teeth, and drink a big glass of water.
Nice. I usually go straight for coffee. No water, no breakfast, just coffee.
That sounds dangerous, Jack. What kind of coffee?
Black coffee. Strong. No sugar, no milk.
Wow. I can't. I need something sweet in the morning. Maybe toast with honey or oatmeal with fruit.
Healthy start. I should try that sometime. Do you eat breakfast every day?
Mostly. If I skip it, I get super grumpy. You don't want to see me like that.
I believe you.
So, after breakfast, what's next for you?
I start work around 9. I work from home, so I usually open my laptop and check my to-do list.
That's nice. I wish I could work from home. My job starts at 8, and I have to take the subway every morning.
Oh, the subway. That sounds stressful. Is it crowded?
Always. Especially Monday mornings. Everyone looks tired and half asleep.
Yeah, I can imagine. But at least you get to listen to music or podcasts on the way, right?
Exactly. I actually listen to English podcasts sometimes. It helps me keep my listening skills sharp.
That's awesome. I do that too with Spanish. Listening is really one of the best ways to learn.
Totally agree. So, what do you do during your work breaks?
Hmm. I usually stretch a little or make some tea. I also like to water my plants. I have like 10 of them on my desk.
10? Wow, I can barely keep one cactus alive.
Yeah, my plants are like my little coworkers.
All right, Ida, let's talk about something everyone loves. Food. What did you have for lunch today?
My favorite topic. I made pasta today with tomato sauce, garlic, and some vegetables. Simple but delicious.
Nice. I had a sandwich. Just turkey, cheese, and a little lettuce. I was too lazy to cook.
That's fine. Sometimes simple food is the best. Do you usually eat lunch at home or at work?
At work, usually. There's a small cafe near my office. They make good soup and salads.
That sounds cozy. Do you eat with your coworkers?
Yeah, sometimes. We usually talk about random things. Movies, weekend plans, or just complain about meetings.
Classic office talk. I eat alone most days since I work from home, but I like it. It's quiet and I can watch YouTube while I eat.
What kind of videos do you watch while eating?
Mostly cooking or travel videos. I love watching people cook dishes from around the world. It gives me ideas.
Oh, speaking of that, do you like trying new food when you travel?
Yes, that's one of my favorite parts of traveling. I think you can learn a lot about a culture from its food.
Totally agree. I remember when I went to Thailand. The street food was amazing. So much flavor and so cheap.
Oh, wow. I've always wanted to go there. What was your favorite dish?
Probably pad thai. It's noodles with shrimp, eggs, peanuts. I could eat it every day.
That sounds so good. I think I'd love it too, as long as it's not too spicy.
Don't worry, you can ask for mild, but you have to try Thai iced tea. It's sweet and creamy.
Noted. I'll add it to my must-try list.
So, do you prefer sweet or salty food in general?
Oh, that's a hard question. Probably sweet. I have a big sweet tooth.
Same here. Chocolate is my weakness.
Mine too. If there's chocolate in the house, it doesn't last more than a day.
You and I would be terrible roommates.
Definitely. We'd fight over the last piece of chocolate.
So, what do you usually do when you're not working, Ida?
I like to go for walks, read, and sometimes play the guitar. Nothing too fancy.
Oh, you play guitar? That's awesome. How long have you been playing?
Since high school, but just for fun. I know a few songs, mostly soft rock and some pop.
Cool. I tried learning once, but my fingers hurt after 5 minutes.
That's normal. Everyone goes through that stage. You just have to keep practicing.
Maybe I'll give it another try someday. For now, I just listen to music.
What kind of music do you listen to?
Hmm, a mix of everything. Pop, jazz, sometimes lo-fi when I work.
Oh, I love lo-fi. It helps me focus. I listen to it when I study or clean.
Same. It just makes everything feel calm.
Exactly. Do you like watching movies or shows in your free time?
Oh yeah, I'm a big movie fan. I recently watched The Secret Life of Walter Mitty. Have you seen it?
Yes, I love that movie. It's so inspiring. Makes you want to go explore the world.
Right? It reminds me that life is short and you should just go for it.
Totally agree. What's your comfort show? Something you can watch anytime?
Probably Friends. I've seen every episode like 10 times.
Same here. I think everyone's learned English from Friends at some point.
It's true. That show taught me how to say, "How you doing?" I imitates Joey.
That was perfect.
So, weekend's coming up. Any big plans?
Not really. Maybe go hiking or visit my friend who just got a new puppy.
A puppy. What kind?
A golden retriever. He's so cute.
Oh, I love dogs. I used to have one when I was a kid.
Really? What was his name?
Max. He was part beagle, part something else. I'm not sure. But he was the best.
That's adorable. I've always wanted a pet, but my apartment's too small.
Yeah, pets need space, but they make life so much happier.
True. What else do you do on weekends?
Sometimes I go to the farmer's market. They have fresh fruits and homemade bread.
That sounds so nice. I love the smell of fresh bread.
Yeah, It's dangerous, though. I always buy too much.
I get that. I'm the same with desserts. Okay, let's share something fun. Tell me about an embarrassing moment.
Oh boy, there are so many. But here's one. Last month, I was texting my friend during a meeting, and I accidentally sent the message to my boss.
No way! What did you write?
Something like, "This meeting is so boring."
Oh, no. What did your boss say?
He just replied, "Glad you're enjoying it." I wanted to disappear.
That's hilarious. I once waved at someone I thought I knew. I even shouted their name and then realized it was a total stranger.
I've done that too. The awkward smile afterward is the worst.
Yeah, you just pretend like you were waving at someone else.
Exactly. So, what's your evening routine like, Ida?
Pretty chill. After dinner, I take a shower, make some tea, and watch something light before bed.
Sounds peaceful. I usually play video games or talk to my friends online.
What kind of games do you play?
Mostly adventure or puzzle games. I like games that make you think.
Nice. I used to play The Sims a lot. I loved building houses.
Classic. Everyone plays The Sims at some point.
Yeah, and you always end up spending 3 hours just decorating the kitchen.
Exactly. Then realize it's midnight and you forgot dinner in real life.
That's me every time.
Anyway, today's chat was really fun.
Yeah, I think conversations like this help learners hear English naturally. Not too formal, not too slow.
Exactly. And if you've watched until now, wow, good job.
Yes, you're awesome. Remember, the more you listen, the faster you'll improve.
Don't forget to subscribe and tell us in the comments, what do you usually do on weekends?
We'll read your answers.
See you soon. Bye.